Woo! It's your boy Lil Speaker back with that fire for the street. Welcome back to the AI Plug, where we make this tech shit so easy, even your little cousin gonna get it. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button, notification bell, all of that shit. Episode 2, man, let's get it. Okay, so the last episode we discussed AI ain't magic, it's numbers. Today on episode 2, topic: where is AI in your hood? From your phone to the block, AI is watching. So y'all real deal be thinking AI be like some real deal lab shit. Nah, fam, it's creeping in your pocket, your playlist, hell, even the streets. So y'all stick with me. I'ma show you this tech be lurking, so you always on point. Let's start close. Your cell phone. This junk right here, this is a AI's playground right here. You ever notice when you start typing some random wild shit in your phone start guessing it right? Like you texting, I'm finna pull up. The phone don't even trip and it spill it all the way out and predict it right. That's AI learning how you talk, stacking your words like cash. Or what about them filters on Snapchat or TikTok? You throw on some shades on a grill and it stick on your face perfect. That's AI tracking your mug, watching your every move. Something like a homie who never blinks. He always watching. Even when you unlock your phone with your face, boom, that's AI checking to see if it's really you or not. Now let's talk apps. Cause AI running the game there too. You ever play like a trap beat on Spotify and then they come right back with a playlist that just, I'm talking about just perfect down to the T. That's AI, fam, peeping every song you play, learning your vibe and serving you more. Same thing with YouTube. Why you think it be pushing music videos back to back that you can't stop watching? AI be like, oh, you like little speaker videos? Here's more. And don't sleep on Instagram or TikTok either. They studying your likes. Why you think them sneakers and them fucking models be popping up on your shit? Shit basically be like AI playing matchmaker with your phone screen. Let's bring this shit to the hood real quick. Cause AI, it ain't just in your phone. It's in the hood too. Y'all ever seen them cameras in them street lights? Some of them got AIs in them. They could detect faces. Hell, some of them can read your car license tag. Y'all know the police use that shit to track people down to find out where they were and when. Look, I ain't saying it's all bad. Just know it's out here watching. Hell, even the stores got AI now. You ever walk in a store and get a text message saying 20% off some shoes? That's AI tracking your location, trying to get in your wallet. It's slick, I know, but it's out there. So I know now y'all like, why the fuck would this matter to me? Why? Cause AI like that nosy neighbor who never sleeps, constantly in your life making moves. And if you don't clock where it's at, you might get caught slipping. We keeping it all the way nothing but 100 on this channel, so you run the game, not the other way around. So the next time you step out or you be scrolling on your phone and you see AI lurking, I bet you spot it now. Now you know what AI be hiding at. Your phone, your apps, hell, your whole damn hood. If y'all enjoyed the vibes of the channel, subscribe, smash the like button, and tell your gang, man, pull up, man. Next week, we're going to be talking about how not to get played by AI. Y'all stay tuned, little speaker, the AI plug.